The first thing we're going to be doing today is grab our sketchbook and open it up to a new page. We will also grab one of these little fruit photos. It should be very small, so make sure you put some glue on the back, and then we're going to glue it on our sketchbook. It can be anywhere in the sketchbook. Just make sure you also have space to fit this gray square piece of pastel paper. So we are going to grab some glue and glue this in as well. Once that has been glued in, we are going to grab a white charcoal pencil or a graphite pencil if you cannot find a white charcoal. Make sure you do not grab a white pencil from your little pencil box. That is a different kind of pencil. That is a Prismacolor pencil. If you use a white, it should say white charcoal on it. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at the picture. So we're going to look at the picture up top and draw everything that we see. So with this sketch, we have to be very precise. We have to look at all the little details. We have to look at where all the little details are. So once you're drawing the seeds, you're going to draw the seeds in their precise spot. We don't want to put too many seeds, too little seeds. We don't want to put them randomly, create very big circles in it or very small. We just want the seeds to look like the seeds. If you want, you can kind of like split that image in 4 as well, and then split your paper in 4 if that helps you be more detailed. But make sure you just sketch it all out. Make sure you think well about the proportions, about the shapes. Look at all of the little things that are overlapping. So for example, in my picture, the kiwi is overlapping with the orange a little bit. So make sure you draw that part as well. Make sure you draw the darks, the highlights, the shadows, and all of the little things you see in that little square. So this one is just going to be a little practice for what we're going to be doing on a bigger scale project, and then we will color it in with color pencils. So today the goal is just to have the rough sketch done. And as you can see, using the white charcoal pencil, it is easy to erase. If I were to use a Prismacolor white pencil, it would be a little bit harder to erase. And once I will go in with color pencil, it is going to show up a lot more if we use the Prismacolor pencil. With the charcoal, it is going to get erased very easily. So once you have your sketch done, make sure you take a photo of it and submit it. And tomorrow we will start adding in the colors for it.